Alright, Zippo has done quite a few eagle designs, and I just got in one of my favorites. So this one came in the protective sleeve, and the label is "Where Eagles Dare." That's the sleeve. It's a nice touch. It's a normal Zippo box. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA, and it's got the California cancer warning on that. But this is made in Bradford, PA, and it's a genuine Zippo, and it does say "Where Eagles Dare" on the label on the back. So here is a look at, nothing unusual about the insert or the box. Here is the Eagles, "Where Eagles Dare." You can see there's two eagles on this thing, and there's the one on the bottom looks like he's carrying something, probably a fish. But this is made on a nice plaque. It's probably a glued on plaque there. Two-piece. Somewhat muted because of the plaque. And it's got the brass colored insert. It's a steel insert, but it's brass colored. Fires up pretty good. It's a brushed brass finish. And this one was made in H of 18. I think that's August. Somewhere around there, but it's made in Bradford, PA, made in the USA. Pretty good stampings on this. So let's do a drop test on this one eagle. See if the plaque will stay on and the Zippo will stay lit. Okay, so this eagle Zippo passes the drop test. It's really a nice design. I like this one a lot. And I have a few more of these. Here's one of them. It's exactly the same, except it was made in, looks like G of 17, but it's the same design. And I do have one more of these eagles. Exactly the same design, but this one was made in J of 2011. So that's the old one. So yeah, three sets of eagles. Definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.